I'm Elissa Carmona, and I'm the lead singer and founder of Morrisania Band Project. I get overly excited to see your face. Wanna cry when you walk away.
We caught up with Elisa to learn more about her and the Morrisania Band Project at none other than the Morrisania neighborhood of the Bronx.
We are a musical collective. We do a blend of rock, soul, funk, occasionally some hip-hop. Our focus is community vibrancy, adding vibrancy, strengthening the arts culture here in the South Bronx. This is my mama's hood.
Okay.
My mother she grew up in this community right back yonder with her 7 siblings. I was raised between here and also another New York City neighborhood, Park Hill, Staten Island, and so I was shuttled back and forth, so I spent a lot of time over here in this neighborhood.
The Morrisania Band Project is known in the neighborhood for holding charitable events and bringing their R&B soul tunes to the community.
We are at the Reverend Lena Irons Unity Park, aka Unity Park, on 168th and Washington Avenue. The significance to me is in 2014, I was working for a nonprofit that has a music program, and I wrote some grants that we won, the agency won, to do a park cleaning and also a concert here in the community. And then when I founded Morrisania Band Project in 2016, we came back to the park, and so for the past 2 summers, we've been in the park. Last year, we did the 2018 Unity Park concert series, and so it was 5 events from June through October 2018. It was co-sponsored by Gary Axelbank of This Is the Bronx, Councilmember Vanessa Gibson, and a few of the events were also co-sponsored by Assemblymember Blake.
And what are some of the things that the band has done for the community?
We've held twice in a row a concert to spread awareness for sickle cell disease. We partnered with Queen Sickle Cell Advocacy Network. We had a Battle of the Bands in the park last year. We also had an open mic in the park. We've collaborated with Save Our Streets Bronx 2 years in a row. We did a tribute concert, actually. So those are some of the concerts that we've held here as well as other locations throughout the Bronx.
Elisa and MBP performed at the It's the Bronx preview event back in January. The band was also expecting to return to the since-canceled official event in March. What did performing at It's the Bronx mean for Morrisania Band Project?
It meant great exposure, greater opportunities, the chance to connect with some of the artists here in the Bronx that we don't know about. It provided that opportunity. Also, they had dope promotion. The pictures that they took, these are things that can be utilized for a long time coming. Since we did the preview show, January 26th, I've been able to use those videos and pictures to obtain other gigs for us, and just greater opportunity here in the Bronx and also outside. We'll be doing Queens Night Market next month because of our exposure through It's the Bronx. We were disappointed that the event was canceled. What was even more frustrating is we didn't have a reason. We were told several things, that the event hosts were connected with outside developers, that they were gentrifying the community, and there have even been heated words. I've been called names on social media simply for stating that I didn't feel that artists were considered with the cancellation. With that said, this is my community, and I was born in this community. I had a great time at the preview event. I met a lot of people. We've still maintained contact. I hope to work with some of these artists that I worked with, and I would love to continue the connection that we built together.
To keep up with Morrisania Band Project, you can visit them on Facebook and Instagram at Morrisania Band. You can also visit morrisaniaband.wordpress.com or catch them live at Unity Park and around the Bronx this summer. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonyi Lopez.